Hello, and welcome to this video on Python natural language processing. In this tutorial, we will be using NLTK and Spacy libraries. Let's start by discussing the goal of natural language processing. Natural language processing, or NLP, is a field in computer science and artificial intelligence concerned with the interactions between computers and human languages. The goal is to enable computers to understand, interpret, and generate human languages in a way that is both meaningful and useful. Now, let's take a look at the two Python libraries NLTK and Spacy. NLTK stands for Natural Language Toolkit. It is the leading platform for building Python programs to work with human language data text. Spacy is another NLP library that is designed specifically for production use and helps you build applications that process and understand large volumes of text. Let's begin with tokenization using NLTK. Tokenization is the process of breaking text into individual words, phrases, symbols, or other meaningful elements. First, we need to install NLTK. You can do this by running pip install NLTK. Next, to perform tokenization in NLTK, you need to import the required module and call the word tokenize function on a given text. Here's a sample code that demonstrates tokenization in NLTK. Now let's see how to perform tokenization using Spacy. Firstly, install Spacy by running pip install Spacy. Then, you need to download a language model by running Python m Spacy download in core web sm. In Spacy, tokenization is performed using a loaded language model. Here's a sample code that demonstrates tokenization in Spacy. Let's move on to stemming using NLTK. Stemming is the process of reducing words to the root or base form, which allows us to match different forms of the same word. Here's a sample code that demonstrates stemming using the porter stemmer in NLTK. Next, let's talk about sentiment analysis. Sentiment analysis is the process of determining the sentiment or emotion expressed in a piece of text. Here's a sample code that demonstrates sentiment analysis using the text blob library in Python. First, run pip install text blob to install the library. Then, we can use the text blob class to analyze the sentiment of a given text. That's it for this tutorial on Python natural language processing using NLTK and Spacy libraries. We covered tokenization, stemming, and sentiment analysis. Thanks for watching. If you found this video useful, please like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.